Gang, what it is. Mook and the V back with another video. And y'all see the drip, man. Go ahead and get y'all Black Mamba hoodies, man. The Mook and the V. You know what I mean? Come get at me, man. Holla at me on IG, man. Prices are listed on there, man. But if you want something different, you know, I can definitely switch it up for you since I do make all of this by hand, man. But get at me, gang, man. Holla at me, man. Support the squad. Support the movement, support the family, man. Y'all already know, hashtag beat gang. But let me go ahead and get y'all this cold start and let y'all know what we're gonna be getting into today. We're gonna get close to the exhaust today. Yes, sir. Alright, family. See what we got in here already. You know what I mean? Got them tags in here. I'm gonna set this camera up though so I can go ahead and take this out and start applying these. I already started putting it on. Forgot that I ain't turned the camera back on, man. Hope that's set up decent. Guess that's good. What I'm doing is like cutting on that bottom line right there so I can just kind of sit it right on this bar. Across there. See if it's ready to come off here. Y'all. Get drilled, y'all. That one ain't ready to come off yet. On this side. Just like that, family. And we bite. We bite. Go ahead and wipe that down a little bit right there. Trying to get that placement just right, man. It's tough, man. It's hard doing these letters on the back. I feel like everything is just like slanted down too, man. It is what it is, though. Coming off with. came out fairly decent, man. Yeah, just like that, man. Yeah, a nice little walk around of it. Yes, sir. We back. We bike. We bike. Yes, sir. Yeah, family, I just wanted to show y'all the quick application of your YouTube or Instagram letters, man. It's not that hard. They be trying to charge your arm and a leg to apply it. I mean, it is kind of silly sometimes because you get air bubbles back there, but for the most part, man, it turned out pretty good, man. So that's gonna be a wrap for this short video, man. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. If y'all out in the Memphis area, get at me. Y'all already know, man, we turning up on Halloween, man. 1 year anniversary, man. Gang, 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 gang.